Tired of losing money on international transfers? Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock massive savings on Remit using promo codes. First, open your Remit app or visit the website and begin setting up your international money transfer as you normally would. Input the amount you want to send, select your recipient's country, and choose your preferred payment method. Now, before confirming the transaction, look for the section labeled promo code, discount code, or something similar. It's usually located on the payment confirmation page or somewhere near the total amount. Carefully type in your Remit promo code. Double check for any typos, as even a small error can prevent the code from working. For example, let's try SAVE20NOW. Once you've entered the code, click apply. You should immediately see the discount reflected in your transfer details. Notice the reduced amount you'll pay thanks to the promo code. Compare the original total with the discounted total to see exactly how much you've saved. This is where you'll see the real value of using the promo code. Review all the details one last time, and if everything looks good, confirm your transfer. Congratulations, you've successfully used a Remit promo code and saved money on your international transfer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips.